Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Okay, I've spoken about this piece before on this channel, so if you're a seasoned subscriber then you know. This is a piece from Men's Spring Summer 2022 by Hublot, and this is a very Virgil piece. The colours are very me. And when I saw it on the catwalk, it was definitely one of those like, oh, we need to make this happen, okay? I want to enter into a loving, committed relationship with you. Now, we're going to go through the unboxing. I'm going to go through the details, styling, price, ins and outs, what fits inside, all of that. Honestly, they've been like dropping pieces from this collection in London, and I've been pestering my poor SA because I pre-ordered this just before Christmas, and I literally have been texting her like, any sign, anything, because I've been very excited. Okay, what did we get inside? We got the book, 200. Very pretty pictures and text. Thank you very much. And then we have some perfume samples. Always a pleasure, thank you. I do have one other item from this collection that I pre-ordered, but it hasn't arrived yet. Shall we get into it? Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down and subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Oh. Fantastic. There's this bit. Oh, this doesn't help with the nails. No, it doesn't. Okay. And a little gift card that, you know, if this was a gift for somebody, then you would write something down, I believe. But it was a to me from me. I always know exactly what to get myself. Why the hell not? Okay, brilliant. Ribbon off. Da, da, da. Where is it? Hey, there we go. Oh, look at her. She's sagged down to the bottom of the box. Okay. Oh, I can already feel she's a perfect size. Are you ready? Oh, this is like a little striptease. Oh, the colour. This is the Keep All Excess. What an just stop. This is so me. Okay? The ombre. Now, what's annoying me is the colour that it's showing up on camera. And I noticed this when I saw it on social media and people had posted it. The colours are showing up weird. In real life, this is neon. She's a sodding neon green and she's given us a pop, and then we've got this dark. That's true. So it'll show up for that and then you won't. Trust me. So initially this sold out, but there have been restocks. I think currently it's available on the UK site. It's not on the US site, but if any links, it will be below. We've got silver hardware, and the hardware has the little Louis Vuitton flower things. I think the leather used here is the Tourilon. I can't do that one in a French accent. I'm sorry. And basically, it's like a pebbledy leather, and all of these Louis Vuitton motifs and all of that are embossed. They've also added like a shadow effect to sort of make the embossing look even sort of deeper than it is.
Why is it so hard to get inside my skull that embossing is this way and debossing is that way? So, apologies, it's debossed. Come on, Cassie!
Start the tiny top. I can't. Oh, stop 1 second. Oh, what are you? Exterior, bull calf leather. Interior, textile. The interior as well. Oh, made in France. Oh, and it says from Men's Spring Summer 2022. I like that. I like that. I don't think I've noticed that in a seasonal bag before, but I like that a lot. Inside, you've got this glorious sort of cobalt blue. Love that. I want to keep you. And the strap. Let me talk to you about the strap, because I love that the strap isn't ombre. The strap is the same colour as the handles, which is sort of this middly-ish colour. And let's put her on. It's got this shoulder, what the hell is that? No, like what do we call this? Shoulder pad? But it's not really padded. You know what I mean? It's got a shoulder detail thing. And the strap is also adjustable. So, let me shimmy it up because I think it's going to be too long. Right, yeah, pop it through the hole. Thank you. Yeah, through that. There we go. Perfection. Now, they did do a similar bag. They do a similar bag to this, which is the City Keep All. That one is a slightly bigger bag than this one, but it also doesn't have the handles. And aside from the fact that, I'm sorry, this was just my perfect colour combination and like something that's, you know, come out of a dream of mine, I much prefer this style with the top. It's just because you can take off the strap and she can be a little or you can have the strap on, she's a little bit more casual, she's hands-free, she's a crossbody moment. Obviously, she's a spring summer girl, okay? We don't even need to talk about how she's going to go fabulously with other fun, rich, vibrant colours. But I am living for the looks that I've already conjured up in my mind for right now, you know, a wintry moment. She is going to bring a little bit of sunshine to an all-black outfit. You know I love an all-black outfit. I'll show you some styling. Let's go through what's going to fit inside of her, okay? So, wallet, coin card... Sorry. Let's try this. This cup. Stop. Okay, so she's in, right? What else? What else could we fit in? We could get, let's get a pair of sunglasses in there. We're in, okay? Are you surprised? Hand sanitizer, sodding mask, right? Keys, razzmatazz, give everything a jingle. Fruit snacks, why not? All right, the belly wants what it wants. Wipes for filthy situations. A lip gloss, charger for the phone, we're in. AirPods, done. What's that? Phone, well, we're at it. Look at that. There we sodding go. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, look, she's tight with all of that stuff, but sodding in. Tell me that you weren't expecting that. No, you weren't. This is like Mary Poppins. There you go. I've just taken the phone out and there's no other pouch inside. There's no pocket. There's no like little card holder slot or anything, okay? Let's do a little bit of styling. I'm not going to lie to you. This is an extremely me outfit because this is pretty much what I'm going to wear. I'm going to go see a friend for a little bit of coffee and this is what I'm going to wear. It's easy and she shines, okay? So obviously, hold on. Obviously, here we go. Trotting around the streets of London, good day, sir, right? But I may not want to commit to a handheld moment all day, in which case, excuse me, sorry, sir, I'm too busy, okay? She's got places to be, things to do, looks to sodding serve, all right? Yes, yes. Oh, God. I love it. I love it so much. This is the cutest little evening outfit ever, okay? Obviously with tights because it's still a little bit chill outside, okay? But without tights for a spring summer moment. What? In theory it's loud, and it is loud. We've got a lot happening here. We've got the lilac to the lilac, whatever. Obviously, we're going to have to go strapless, okay? Strapless bra, strapless bag. No, keep the straps on your bra. Without the strap, she just makes more for like an evening moment. You know, she's a little bit more formal, and I just wanted to show how she's a versatile queen, okay? She is not just a casual daytime only, because guess what? She can get down in the evening should she need to. Guys, let me know what you think about my new child, the newest addition to the family. I love how I don't have anything like this. I don't. Do I have bags with a tiny top handle? Yes. I don't have a Speedy. I don't have anything that's sort of in this bowling bag shape. I'm going to put her in a TBE category. Okay, she's a tiny bag energy. She's bringing that energy, okay? But she's also roomy and practical, okay? So she's ticking all the sodding boxes. I cannot wait to wear her around sodding town. She says this, I hardly leave the house. But let me know what you think of her. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.